cabinet doors that just won't stay shut. Or maybe you're after that sleek, handle-less look for your kitchen. These Jiayi magnetic push latches might just be the answer. This 4-pack of black aluminum latches promises a clean, seamless aesthetic while banishing those annoying, drifting open doors. The big selling point here is the push-to-open mechanism. A simple press is all it takes to latch or unlatch the door, which is super convenient. They're designed for hinges without a self-closing feature, so keep that in mind. The long stroke with a built-in magnet is a nice touch, providing a secure and firm closure. No more worrying about doors popping open on their own. Jiayi claims these latches are durable, with a heavy-duty spring mechanism tested to last up to 20,000 uses. While we can't verify that exact number, they do feel solid and well-built. Installation is pretty straightforward. You can either use the included adhesive for a drill-free setup or go with the screws for a more permanent mount. The elliptical holes for the screws are a clever design, allowing for some wiggle room to get the alignment just right. Inside the box, you get everything you need: the 4 latches, mounting screws, flat head screws, anchors, adhesive, and ultra-thin strikes. One thing to note is that Jiayi recommends reserving a 1/8-inch compression stroke during installation, especially for external doors. It's a small detail, but important for optimal performance. Overall, these magnetic push latches seem like a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cabinets with a modern, handle-less design. They're easy to install, feel durable, and do exactly what they promise: keep your cabinet doors securely closed with a simple push. If you're after a clean look and reliable performance, these are definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.